Ye ba ben mu no. Ena ye hu se no. World Bank. Ye din hye kotu omanim. Ni e ka kiro mu say. Greater Accra no. Ebia, and I'm sure that the previous government saw it, is a disaster waiting to happen if we do not put the measures in place.
Okay.
Inti area nyina sikakra bia ba time. E dia supati. Ye the plan e call you plan ye immediate, but World Bank so say ade awodi be your fotoa e support inti rim flooding, other things. Come to us and we'll vet it. You are honorable your friends say World Bank and you said obi or kase na nye omanye then who will you believe? Because at the basic minimum no credibility the highest. And we have to walk a certain fine line to always draw down on whatever funds they have.
But we want to say Franklin Kujo any credibility, Anna?
No, I'm saying that you can't make that deduction. I'm saying that it is hard for me.
Because you say or say or need to say there is a delay from
to listen to. Well,
there's no delay from Abaino.
Oh yes.
And where is that coming from? There's even a study I just mentioned. That delay has acknowledged delays as part of the problem that happened.
I take me back.
Say World Bank, in the number of years are pretty developing countries and even developed countries that go into crisis. Ebe kan sema nenye wu kwesi wuso a oti echiri can be. Tajoti da make anase. It cannot be the case. Beyond coups and other things, we came to a point. 50 years later, this was the vision. 50 years old. Yabedun Pempenswa, MPP made a move. The government of the day, Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development Project, GARID. What was it going to do? Flood mitigation was one. Waste management was one. Which areas? Odo River, mebwa. Achimota abufu, hosi. Me mama me papa moti Achimota side. Abufu. Shoto bebrea those is a whole yiri. Inti if it is one of the worst ones, yiri. South Kaneshi drain. Dr. Buzia Highway drain projects. Nima Paloma Odona River. All these areas, Atomic East Land, including a early warning system here. Okay. They saw all these things and said, Debbie, we need to adhere to let us protect the lives of the people. And yeah, now so that was the thinking. Mestre, 2014, 2015, in Sotoy, there was flooding. The president at the time, Osan Katre and say, Wakatre Minister of Finance say, unreleased funds, no omonya day. Build the storm drains. I think me boy. At the time, he added say a bit flooding mu. Ye in so injury yen biom.
Okay.
Fast forward. Same places. And now what is even worse is other places you never think say be flooding up. So it's not about blame game. But if we are going to lay blame, the one who secured the funding say obechichire vision bia ebeboa na accelerate the broader vision of 50 years ago. Okofa sika ba ya sa sika no busian say wakobo busian betua ho interest o. It is different from sika and two ministries, between Ministry of Finance and Agric were fighting over. Sika ba ye djuma ni keke na raise certificate na koye den o see wo inflation ebeba fominti na timemufo ehun se ono hwe sika so yenti no enye sa project na mayenye
medase.
So if there will be blame, it will land squarely at their doorstep. Intina me ya say there are certain external parties who may not be directly spokespersons of the government some creative impression be. At the end of the day, one government 50 years ago forecasted say we are say ukwenima uchichiro maya the population will grow, waste management will become a problem, problem inti yemfa inhye nto ho ba akoko prisika baya enye bosia start project Diana oda sa ministry anon onene kasa asisia honorable kojo ponkuma ati chireche mu so ye 40% pacho e World Bank so website. These things, the World Bank's reports on what we did is there. The same World Bank, kase abayo tisui anye. Inti sebe me no minsada minsayemu. I'm me like minye okay since touring. So you can imagine what people are going through.
It is well.
Knowing said there's a challenge.
Yeah, but me fe no kanchi kama. That means I'm se kosi didn't go through lessons. Intino. Me share idea na nti emi ni pe na de ni twi ni mu ate. But I am saying that Dr. Bawumia go the same day. He went after Nsuo Nati. You don't even know se President Mahama see. And when it was raining, did he go? When the storms were going on, was he there?
Helicopter?
No, but helicopter. I am asking you, say when Dr. Bawumia then Nsuo no toy no koyana. Was he there?
So we are comparing the two now.
No, you are telling me that Bawumia went.
And now also Nsuo to nan konfe Nsuo no immediately. So Monday no na waka.
Monday
Nsuo to no. No mpia na. Me pese etias.
That person say President Mahama so onko ne Nsuo mfa na na. He went to see
helicopter no. He went.
Okay. Akosia, what did you say? You are telling me say nka wono Dr. Bawumia onko ne Nsuo mfa na.
Debi o say ma Nsuo no to no we. Na me sinti anko on function ni mana no to Monday ama
me pacho
we woke up in the morning for the Minister of Interior to tell us say mo bien fifie me boa ama people were concerned say na yeah you feel cry fear a threat to our own existence. What do we do?
We're not in the rain. His Excellency Mahama took a helicopter in bad weather to see an aerial view of what is going on. And then the money is sensitive. I'm asking you. Aerial view. Because I came fence or far from
drones.
Me pacho, you find the of far from.
Even the risk to him.
So given
that helicopters have crashed before.
Even a risk. In one venue, you are telling us a helicopter no fire any your bonnet.
No, the
in another venue, you are telling me say a risk.
You are justifying the helicopter.
But you say a risk.
She's drawing your attention.
But it wasn't risky.
Beyond the risk is the insensitivity. Say nipa da so jire nsuoma edukra walk on no man paying afro in shame.
And I want to say,
go and no other ni phone.
And you one can say, and say a fence, you know, when there's an alert to say, you may go out.
But who said, baby, and now the free banner say, this now, Mummy, to say, oh, penny, a dom penny, a five women, and yet the same day, Nana and a Dr. Bawumia call out.
I'm just making an idea.
Manelande, Akosia Messel.
There is some points in the name.
Oh, dear, Manelande, say, if you can be seen as
on your ordinary communicator, science presidential.
Manelande. Nanaya.
The insensitivity be
what is insensitivity?
It's you will respond.
What is the insensitivity?
Cozy, you will respond. It's Manonland. It's an this no, sir, any the same than I say
they are trying to say, His Excellency and code the same day. We want to say in the same way, no, Sanka said there was an alert. Say, Nisi a carbon thing. So, which is which?
My God.
The person sat in a helicopter to see an aerial view of Asema Esi. In that bad weather, he put his life for Ghanaians to sit in that helicopter to see. Because you see, okay, I'm funny, so we see from. Even in the rain, the storm and everything, yes, Ghanaians were suffering. But sitting in that helicopter, and it gave them an idea of exactly what the level of the disaster was. I don't think that he was even sitting in to protect himself or anything. So where is the insensitivity? People choka me. Even the fact is wow, boss said it was a risk to his life. Obia no insensitive no. Obet made in the life at all.
So far bad with the moon or see that's even risky.
I am telling no, but you people are telling me say no insensitive. So insensitive to himself or insensitive to Ghanaians. They should tell me.
See, that was the only option. to assess.
My Intika, what are the other options?
When
it was raining, Oman Kasa, okay, give me the options.
Drones were.
Don't give me the options. The drones say no. Drones, you know, a taking aerial view. He wanted to see himself.
Okay.
Drones
what the bad brow? One Kasa was a wash. I mean, okay, say drones, and then still you are talking about the fact that he wasn't involved. Drones, they no involved the cry.
You said what was the alternative to have an aerial view?
I am saying, say, so on your drones, no, on sea forms. Do you get me? But you said that it was raining at the same time. You are also telling me that the man put his life online.
Gaslighting a beam. All the money.
Oh, do you get me? The man put his life online. In short, I know and man can't just say I please check your people. I beg you.
And then you are seeking protection. When I was saying, you said, "Oh, what protection am I seeking?"
No, I'm not seeking protection. I'm saying, listen to me. Me person never then generating to you. You get me? Because I am saying, give options. Most nipa ni insensitive. Obi ordinary life at line.
Okay.
Obi a what's not you a man kasa said the weather was bad.
Who said the weather was bad?
I am saying,
you don't know what people are saying about the Thanksgiving, but you know the weather report. The weather report says February, as far back as February, it said that there will be flooding. Ministry of Works and Housing.
But Nana, my